Hi, my name's Esther, and today I'll be showing you how to make apple crisp. First, we're going to start off with the ingredients. First, we're going to need 6 apples and a lemon. Next, you're going to need granulated sugar, cinnamon, brown sugar, old-fashioned oats, all-purpose flour, and salt. Lastly, we're going to need butter. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you're going to melt some butter in a small bowl so you can use it later to wipe down the sides of your pan. Once you're done, you can set your pan aside. After washing, drying, and peeling your apples, you're going to want to dice them into small pieces. I ended up having to switch between using a knife and a peeler because the peeler wasn't sharp enough. As you finish chopping your apples, be sure to have lemon juice ready so that you can add it immediately to the apples and the apples won't brown. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and if you didn't already, you're going to juice your lemon, and then add in 1.5 teaspoons lemon juice to the bowl. Then you're going to combine. Once you're done, pour the apples into the tray that you buttered before. Level out the apples using a fork or spoon. In a separate bowl, you're going to add a cup of light brown sugar. Next, you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of old-fashioned oats to the sugar and mix. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of salt. Then mix till well combined. Then you're going to get a stick of butter and cut it into small cubes. Once you're done, combine the butter with the dry ingredients and mix until it forms pea-sized crumbs. Pour the oatmeal mixture over the apples and make sure to level it with a fork. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. You can serve it warm with caramel syrup and vanilla ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the link in our description and follow us on Instagram.